Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Take Notes. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to sign up for ChatGPT account on your mobile device. So to get started, firstly you need to head on your Chrome browser or any browser that is available on your device. Then on the search bar, you need to type URL openai.com/blog/chatgpt, and then you need to tap on the arrow-like button on the bottom right corner, and then you will get access on the OpenAI website. If you haven't opened the desktop site, then on the upper right corner there is the three dotted line. Tap on it, and on this expanded box you can see desktop site beneath add to home screen, and you can check mark on the box to open the desktop site of OpenAI. When you expand this, on the upper right corner there is the menu button highlighted on purple. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you will be able to find out login button. Tap on it. Then you will get access on the sign in page, but you haven't yet created account on ChatGPT, so you can tap on sign up button beneath the continue. So now you need to enter your email address to create your ChatGPT account. Once you enter the email address, tap on continue. You need to enter the password. Make sure your password must contain at least 12 characters. If you want to recheck your password, you can tap on I like button and recheck your password. After you have completed the credentials, then you can tap on continue. Once you are done with that, you need to verify your email. The ChatGPT has sent an email to your current email address that you had entered, so you can click the link inside to get started. So tap on open Gmail. So here you have already received the email from OpenAI. Tap on it. So now tap on verify your email address. So now your email has already been verified. So it is said that return to the device where you began sign up and refresh the page or login on this device to continue. Tap on login. So once you have tap on login, you will get access to this page where you need to enter all the credentials that has been asked. So you need to enter the full name, organization name, and the birthday. So once you are done filling up about yourself, you can tap on agree. So now you have successfully signed up on your OpenAI or the ChatGPT account. So I hope you find this video useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads from our channel. Thank you.